near Bogota. It's called Melgar. It's like a like a vacation in town near Bogota in the outskirts. Not quite the outskirts, like I don't know, like 2 hours from Bogota. I have no clue. I don't remember quite well. But anyway, they have like a huge rock like that that hangs off of the side of the mountain. They call it the Devil's Nose. And Timmy, it's like a cliff. Like I'm telling you, it's like an abyss. It's like straight down, like no less than 500 feet, like as high as that mountain, like by flat. And that's why where you drive, right along that abyss is where you drive. It's so crazy. Actually, many people have wrecked it. Yeah, we're close. We're like right there. We're gonna be right there like in 5 minutes. You're driving fine. I think you're confusing me with other people.
Shirley